Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen the trigonometry, all the concepts and also formulas. In this video we are going to see the previous year questions. So while solving the problems, let's solve all the model problems related to the previous year question. If one question is coming, then how to solve that type of problems also let us see in this video. Okay students, now first let us see TS POLYCET 2020 question paper. In the TS POLYCET 2020 question paper, there are 4 questions have come in the question paper, and if you observe, I hope all of you have learned and watched the previous video. If not, go and watch the previous video, then come to this video, then you can understand very easily. Okay students, now the first problem is, if A is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 60 degrees, then what is sin A plus cos B? The value of sin A plus cos B is what? So what you need to do? Simply substitute the values and simplify, you will get the answer. So in the trigonometry, the values are most important, I said. So all of you remember the values so that easily you can solve here. A is given as 45 degrees, B is 60 degrees. Then if you substitute here, sin 45, B is what? Cos 60. Simply substitute, you will get the answer. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. If you take the LCM, 2 root 2 is the LCM, and cross multiplying 2 plus root 2. So answer is 2 plus root 2 by 2 root 2. 2 plus root 2 by 2 root 2 is which option? Is option D. So 2 plus root 2 by 2 root 2. Very easy, right? So for this, what you need to learn? You need to learn the values of sine, cos, tan. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, like that. All the values you learn it, because with these values you can use in the application of trigonometry also, you can solve the problems based on the values. Okay students, now second problem. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q, then which one is the correct? So in every question paper, a question based on this is present. So what is this? Because this is nothing but we can call it as elimination of theta. How to eliminate theta is based on that concept. This problem in every question paper like this problem is present. So they are giving the trigonometric values and they are asking us to find out which one is the correct amongst below. So all the problems like that only, you can even solve the remaining problems also in the practice problems also you can do. So let us solve this. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q, then which one is the correct? So if you observe the options here, what is there in options? Based on the options you can easily solve. So in every option P square plus Q square, P square minus Q square, P square plus Q square and P square minus Q square is there. So that means here only P is there, P and Q is there. So first what you need to do is squaring on the both sides. Do the squaring on the both sides. Whatever the question is there, if it is coming like this, do the squaring on the both sides of first and do the squaring on the both sides on the second, then add it, you will get the answer. The theta will be eliminated based on the trigonometric identities. Manaku telusu trigonometric identities enti trigonometric identities. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The second identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and the third identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So sometimes if it is sin theta cos theta, then it will come as first identity. If secant and tan, it will come into the second identity. If cosecant and cot, that will become under third identity. So from this, how to solve this, let us see now. Second question. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P. So first of all, what you need to do is squaring on the both sides. So if you do the squaring on the both sides, what you will get, left hand side will be A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square is nothing but A square cos square theta. Because it is nothing but you can even write A cos theta whole square. A plus B whole square formula A square plus B square plus 2AB, and you can write B sin theta whole square plus 2AB sin theta cos theta is equal to P square. Say this is equation number 1. From first we got this one, and from the second, what is the second we are having? A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q. So this you do like this, a cos theta, a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q. If you do the squaring on the both sides, you will get it as a square sin square theta, or else a sin theta whole square plus b cos theta whole square minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to q square. Say this is equation number 2. Right? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what you do is just observe the equation 1 and equation 2. A cos square theta is there, here a sin theta whole square is there. That means I can take a square from this, then it will come as a square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Let us solve this. Add 1 and 2. So from the list, this you can write a square cos square theta, you can write it a square cos square theta, and this you can write b square sin square theta, and this you can write 2ab sin theta cos theta plus a square sin square theta. A sin theta whole square is a square sin square theta, and b cos theta whole square is b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to, add the right hand side also, it is a p square and it is a q square. So p square plus q square. If you observe now, 2ab sin theta cos theta, 2ab sin theta cos theta getting cancelled. Okay. Then, so this is a square cos square theta and a square sin theta. From these two terms I can take a square common, then cos square theta plus sin square theta. And from these two terms I can take b square as common, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to p square plus q square. Right? So now it is a 1, right? From identity 1. Identity 1 what we are having? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is a 1 and this is also 1. So finally a square into 1 is a square plus b square into 1 is b square is equal to p square plus q square. So this is the answer. Which one is the answer? First one? Yeah, first one is the option. So remember students, if the question is like this, if it is related to sin theta cos theta, squaring on the both side and add it. If it is related to secant theta and tan theta, squaring on the both side and subtract it. If it is a cosec theta and cot theta, squaring on the both side and subtract it, you will get the answer. So in each and every question paper, this question is present based on this topic. So I hope all of you understand. Okay students, now let's see the third problem. This is cos 201, cos 202, cos 203 up to so on cos 300. So what is the value of this? So if you see any problem like this, we do not know the value of 201, 202, 203 and all. So just seeing the question, you should understand that this is a logical problem, not a solution based problem. It is a logical problem. So there are so many questions like this. Let us solve some questions based on this. So how the questions can come based on cos 201, cos 202, cos 203, somewhere it is cos 300. So total how many values are there? 203, 204, 203, 299, 300 is there. That means this value cannot be done by solving this. This is a simply logical problem. There are so many questions like this can be given, or else they will give like this sin 1, sin 2, sin 3 up to so on sin 100. This is a one type of question, sin 1, sin 2, sin 3, sin 2 up to so on sin 100. Even sin 0, 0 to 100. Or else they will give question like this, cos 1, cos 2 up to so on cos 100. So if the question is based on sin and cos, you remember students, answer will be 0. If the question is based on sin and cos, answer will be 0. How it is 0 means, if you observe this sin 0 and all, somewhere you will find it out, the value is 0. Here sin 0 is 0, right? Sin 0 is 0 into anything is 0. So you need not to solve it. So sin 0 into anything is 0. And cos is there. Cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, somewhere it will be cos 90, right? So cos 90 will be there. So wherever cos 90 is there, cos 90 value is 0. 0 into everything is 0. So remember students, if the values like this is there and given the question based on the sin and cos, the value will always come as 0. Because there is no other option, because we cannot solve this problem. So this is a logical problem. Understand, wherever it is sin cos is there, the value is 0. Simply remember it, sin cos is there and values are given like this, you put the answer as 0. How this answer is 0? Cos 201, cos 202, cos 203 up to so on, somewhere cos 270 will come. Cos 270 will come. So cos 270 value is 0. How cos 270 is 0? You can write cos 3 into 90 plus 0. This is sin 0, 0. Anyway, this you will learn in the intermediate first year, but for the POLYCET, you remember, if it is a value related to sin and 0, 1, 2, 3, any value, answer is 0. For cos also, answer is 0. But for tan, what it will be? For tan, what it will be? Let us see now. Tan is also possible, right? If the question is based on the tan, suppose they ask a question like this, tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, up to so on tan 89. They'll ask like this, and somewhere in between tan 45. Question is also possible based on the tan also. So if question is based on the tan, the answer will come as 1. How the answer will come as 1? Let us see now. Tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, tan 4. So tan 1 and tan 89. Based on the complementary angles, always tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. How it is? Let us take one example. Tan 20 into tan 90 minus 20. That means tan 20 into tan 90 minus 20 is tan 70 is equal to 1. So 20 and 70, 90. So you can write this as tan 20 into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Directly you can write cot 20. So cot 20 is a 1 by tan 20. Tan 20 to tan 20 cancel. 1 is the answer. So remember this formula. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1 when these two angles are complementary angles. So directly question will ask. Suppose the question will be like this. Suppose tan 48 into tan 42 is equal to 1. So 48, 42 are complementary angles. If they are complementary angles, definitely the product of these two will be 1. Because based on this formula, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. So based on this, 1 and 89, addition will be 90, then value is 1. 2 and somewhere 88, 1. 3 and somewhere 87. So like this, everyone will be cancelled, and in between tan 45 will be left, and the tan 45 value is also 1. So total value is 1. So here one more question can be asked. How the question is? It is suppose question they'll give like this, and they'll put log here. They'll put log here. Log of tan 1, tan 2, tan 89 is what? So as I explained, if the problem is based on the tan, answer will come as 1. So log, and this total value is 1, and what is the log 1 value? Log 1 value is a 0, so answer is 0. Okay students, understand? Log tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, whatever it is. Suppose the question is like this, log tan 25 into tan 65, 70, 80, 90. Right? Tan 25 into tan 65 value is how much? So we know that tan 25 into tan 65, because 25 and 65 is 90. So theta into 90 minus theta is there, then this value will be 1. So log 1 value is 0. So you practice these type of problems, and remember the value is for sin cos tan, the value will come as 0, and sin cos it is 0, tan it will be 1. And if it is given as log, then log 1 value will be 0. Sometimes they may give like this, log cos 1, cos 2 up to so on cos 100. Then what is this value? So I said this value is 0. So log 0. So what is the value of log 0? Log 0 is undefined. So answer is undefined. So this is a connection problem between trigonometry and logarithms. Okay student, I hope all of you understand. So you go back to the previous videos and see the logarithms. So in the logarithms we have explained what is a log 1 and log 0, how the values are becoming 0 and all. Okay students, now the last problem. If a is equal to pi by 4, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan square a into 1 plus tan cube a is equal to what? So this is a simple question. Pi by 4. So pi by 4 means what? So simply remember pi is equal to 180 degrees. Remember this students. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. So pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. You remember? Whenever they are given pi by 6 means 180 by 6. Pi by 4 means 180 by 4. So a is equal to pi by 4 is nothing but a is equal to 45 degrees. So simply substitute here and we know that what is the tan 45 value? Tan 45 value is 1. So substitute here 1 plus tan a. So 1 plus tan a means tan 45. So tan 45 value is 1 into 1 plus tan square a. Tan square a is nothing but tan a is a 45. So tan 45 is 1. So you can write 1 plus 1 whole square, and this is also tan cube a. Tan 45 whole cube you can write. So it is 1 plus 1 whole cube. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 2. And this is 8 is the answer. So here you can remember one more thing, that is tan square theta is equal to tan theta whole square. So tan square theta and tan theta whole square are same. Whatever it is, if it is sin square theta, you can write sin theta whole square. So what I am writing, tan cube a is nothing but tan a whole cube I am writing. So a is nothing but 45. So tan 45 whole cube. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 whole cube I am writing here. Okay students, I hope all of you understand. So this is about 2020 question paper. If you see the questions, you can easily solve all these problems. A is given as 45 degrees, B is 60. This is based on the values, and this is also based on the values. This is also based on the values. This is based on the trigonometric identities. So we have explained all these concepts. Just to solve the problems, you will get the answers. Okay students, right. Now let's see 2019 question paper. So in 2019, there are 6 questions from trigonometry. In the application of trigonometry 2 questions, that means total based on the trigonometry 8 questions have come in 2019. So let us see, the first question is tan 85 into tan 65 into tan 45, tan 25, tan 5. Already I said, if tan is there, what is answer? Directly 1. 1 is answer. So you can solve it. 85 into 5 is 90. So 85 5 is 90. 65 and 25 is 90. Tan 45. So 85 into tan 5 is 1, and tan 65 into tan 25 is 1, and tan 45 into 1. So all are 1. So by seeing directly you can put answer. If tan is there, substitute the answer is 1. If log is there, log of tan means log 1 is 0. So already explained in the 2020 question paper. Now let's see the second one. Sin 18 is equal to cos x, then x is equal to dash. So whenever you see the problems other than the 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, that comes under complementary angle. So it is 18 means what is the complementary of 18? Complementary is nothing but a plus b is equal to 90. Then we can say two angles are complementary angles. So 18 is there. So 18 plus some x is equal to 90. Then x is equal to 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18 is how much? It is 72. So here what I can write is x value 72. That means the question is sin 18 is equal to cos x, they are given. Sin 18 is equal to cos x. That means what I can write, we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Right? Wherever sin theta is there, I can write cos 90 minus theta. So sin 18 is there, right? It is cos 90 minus 18 is equal to cos x. So cos 90 minus 18 is 72 is equal to cos x. So cos 72 is equal to cos x means x is equal to 72 degrees. So that is answer. Directly by saying you can say 18 and 72 both are complementary. So 18 and 72 are complementary. So answer is 72. Okay students. Now next, third question. Sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. So if the question is like this, you should think this is based on the a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. So here sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. So what is the value of sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1? You can write under root of sec square theta minus 1. Just observe here, under root of a minus b into a plus b is a square sec square theta 1 square. So this is sec square theta minus 1. So what is the value of sec square theta minus 1? Use identity number 3. So while solving the identity number 3 we have said already. So identity number 3 was sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if I send tan square theta this side, so it will be sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So wherever sec square theta minus 1 is there, you can substitute tan square theta. So under root of sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta, square root cancel, answer will be tan theta. So you remember students, the second identity is under sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So based on that you can solve the third problem. So answer is tan theta. And the third question, if a is equal to 60, then 3 sin cube a minus 4 sin a is equal to dash. Again this is based on the value 60. So what is the sin 60 value? Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. You substitute the root 3 by 2 here, you will get the answer. Let's do now. So the question is 3 sin cube a minus 4 sin a. So wherever a is there, substitute 60. So 3 sin cube 60 minus 4 sin 60. So here 3 sin cube 60. So what is the nothing but, if it is sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Right? So sin cube 60 is nothing but, you can write sin 60 whole cube. So sin cube 60 you can write sin 60 whole cube. Both are same. So sin square theta is equal to, you can write sin theta whole square. Right students? Now sin cube 60 is nothing but, first substitute the sin 60 value root 3 by 2, then cube, minus 4 sin 60 is nothing but, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Okay? Now it is 3 root 3 whole cube, that means 3 into root 3 whole cube. So root 3 whole cube is nothing but root 3 into root 3 into root 3, right? Root 3 whole cube is nothing but root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and into root 3. So that means root 3 whole cube value is 3 root 3 by 2 whole cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8, minus this will be, you can cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 2 root 3 by 1. Okay students, now you take the LCM. LCM is 8. So 3 3 is a 9 root 3 minus, so if the LCM is there, so do into 8 into 8. So this will be 8 2 is a 16 root 3. So 9 root 3 minus 16 root 3. So 9 root 3 minus 16 root 3 will be, it is nothing but 9x minus 16x. So 9x minus 16x is nothing but minus 7x. So 9 root 3 minus 16 root 3 is minus 7 root 3 by 8. Is it there in the options? So minus 7 root 3 by 8, yeah, it is there in the option A. So this is about trigonometry value problem. Next question. Just observe here, if a cos theta plus b sin theta is p, a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q, then it is same question like previous one. While solving the 2020 we have seen this question. So whenever it is there, cos and sin, it will come as First identity. So simply p square plus q square, directly you can write it is a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square. So the solution of this we have already explained 5 minutes back. Now the third one, if tan alpha is equal to 1 by 2, tan beta is equal to 1 by 3, then what is alpha plus beta? So this is a one different type of problem. Actually we have not explained this formula. Let's explain this now. Tan alpha is given, tan beta is given. They asked us alpha plus beta value, means you should use the tan alpha plus beta formula. So tan alpha plus beta formula is tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha into tan beta, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha is given as 1 by 2 and tan beta is given as 1 by 3 by 1 minus tan alpha is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So in the numerator take LCM as 6, then 3 plus 2 by in the denominator also take LCM as 6, then it is 6 minus 1. So it will be 5 by 6 by 6 minus 1 means 5 by 6, both cancel is equal to 1. So tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That means just observe here, tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but I can write tan 45 degrees. So tan alpha plus beta is equal to, I can write tan 45. If you observe this, tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan 45, then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta value is 45 degrees. So this is the answer. Let's see, is there in options? Yeah. So answer is, sometimes they may give pi by 4 or sometimes they may give 45 degrees. So you should convert and write. If it is given as pi by 4, it is a 45 degrees. Okay students, so this is about 2019 question paper. Now let's see 2018 question paper. In 2018 also there is 6 question from the trigonometry. So you should be very careful in the trigonometry. You should be very perfect in all the formulas. Definitely every time 5 to 6 problems coming based on the trigonometry. So let's solve this. If first question, if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then sin A is what? So simply this question is solved like this. Draw the diagram. Tan A. So you can write tan A is equal to 4 by 3, right? 3 tan A is equal to 4 means tan A is equal to 3, bring this side. So it will be 4 by 3. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So suppose this is A, this is this is A, B and C. So theta take here. So opposite side is 4 and this is 3 and obviously this is 5 based on the Pythagorean triplet. So already we have explained in the trigonometry chapter what is the Pythagorean triplet and all, how to write it. So 3, 4, 5 is there. Then what is the sin A? Sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is this, hypotenuse is this, that means 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer directly. But in the question they may give, instead of sin A, if they give sin C, then what you will write? Same question, what is the sin C value if they ask? And A plus C is equal to 90 if they give, what is the value of sin C? Sin A means directly we have written 4 by 5. So sin C means here you take the angle, opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So sin A is a 4 by 5, that means from A you take opposite side 4, and if it is a sin C, from C you take the opposite side 3 by 5. Okay students, so sin A value is 4 by 5. Very easy, within a half minute you can do the solution. Now second question, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. So you know the value of tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Simply substitute here 2 tan 30. 30 is nothing but the question we are having 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan 30 value you should remember, that is a 1 by root 3. That means 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 square is nothing but 1 by root 3 whole square. That is 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Now the numerator is 2 by root 3 and the denominator you can take LCM as 3, then 3 minus 1. So answer will be 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is again 2 by 3. If the fraction is like this, what we will do? We will write the first fraction same as it is into reciprocal of the second one. So reciprocal of second one is, first one is 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of second one is 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, 3 by root 3 is the answer. Actually 3 by root 3 is the option. Whether it is present in the options 3 by root 3, I don't think it is present. It is not present because whenever in the denominator rational number is there, then you should convert it into rational. So you know how to convert into rational. So 3 by root 3 means root 3 by root 3, converting irrational to rational. So this will be 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 3 cancel, the answer is root 3. Right? Whether root 3 is present? Yeah, B is the option. Okay students, so 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Now third question, tan 45 8 into tan 42. So directly you can say what is the answer? Answer is 1. Yes. Because 48 and 42 are complementary angles. If it is a tan, the answer will be 1. So this is tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, value is 1. So only 2 given. Then also if tan is there, you consider the answer is 1. Next, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. It is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 square minus cos square theta. A square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So from the identity number 1, what is the 1 minus cos square theta? So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So we know the identity 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Always you remember 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So we got 1 minus cos square theta, so answer will be sin square theta. Whether it is there in the options? Yes, sin square theta. Now next question, fifth question. If tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1, what is the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta? If you see in the question, there is a no square. They are asking us tan square theta plus cot square theta. What you need to do? Squaring on the both sides, you will get the answer. If it is a power 4, you do squaring on the both sides 2 times, you will get the answer. Let's see this question. Answer now. Tan theta minus cot theta. So tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So squaring on the both sides. Right? So a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 1. So this is, they are asking, right, tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. Tan theta into cot theta, already we have explained. What is the value of tan theta into cot theta is 1. Because we know cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan theta 1 by cot theta, you can write 1 by tan theta. Tan cancel and this will be 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 1. So tan square theta plus cot square theta 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer is 3. Whether it is there in the options? Yeah. D is the answer. 3. Very easy, right? So if you are not understanding, just pause the video, go back and you can watch once again. Okay students, now last question. If x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sec theta, then which one is the correct? X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sec theta, then which one is the correct? So this can be done like this. Just observe here, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sec theta. So whenever question is like that, what you do is you simply square on the both side. X square is equal to a square cos square theta and y square is equal to b square sec square theta. So x square is equal to a square cos square theta, y square is equal to b square sec square theta. This you can write x square by a square is equal to cos square theta. X square by a square is equal to cos square theta. I am bringing a square to the left hand side. X square by a square is equal to cos square theta. This you can write y square by b square is equal to sec square theta. Now what you do is multiply the both, right? Because in the option it is not in the place, so it is a product of either xy or x square y square. So what you need to do, based on the options you do. If the options are x square plus y square, you add it. If the options are in the product, what you do is do the product of these two. Say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Product, if you do left hand side product, x square into y square by b square, right hand side also product cos square theta into sec square theta. So already we explained cos theta into sec theta value is 1. Why? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, you can write. So sec theta means 1 by cos theta. So both can be cancelled. So finally cos square theta into sec square theta, because cos square theta into sec square theta I can write 1 by cos square theta, cancel 1. So this will be x square y square by a square b square is equal to 1. So if you cross multiply, x square y square is equal to a square b square, right? Or else if you do the root, xy is equal to ab, both are same. Which one is present in the options? Xy is equal to a square b square, no. X square y square is equal to ab, no. X square y square is equal to a square b square, yeah, this one is present. So option is x square y square is equal to a square b square. Sometimes in the options it may be present. రెండు ఇవ్వడు, ఏదో ఒకటి ఇస్తాడు. ఇది ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది రాయండి, ఇది ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది రాయండి. Okay students, so this is about 2018 question paper. It is a very easy, right? Subject to, you should be perfect in all the formulas and see my previous video. If you are perfect in my previous video, you can easily solve all these problems. Okay students.